This is the Norman plan by RTS. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-story home, approximately 1,400 square feet. It's a split floor plan. We have 2 bedrooms and a full bath on the front of the home. Room size could fit a full or queen size bed. This is your first full bath. We have laminate wood flooring throughout the living area of the home and carpet in the bedrooms. Laundry room here. We have open concept, kitchen, dining, and living room. There's a dining area here. Great space in between both counter areas. 2 people can walk through comfortably. All appliances come standard in the kitchen. Has a good size patio, covered area. It's your primary bedroom. Could fit a king size bed in here with no problem. We have 1 walk-in closet inside the bedroom. Double vanities, private toilet room. There's a separate shower and tub. And a second walk-in closet. Very nice size bedroom. You have a 2-car garage and the hot water heater is inside of the garage.